Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome to Sugar Fingers. So in this video today, beautiful babes, what I wanted to share with you is an easy way to get your nails on fleek for Christmas. Yes, very easy. And you know how you can do that? Simply by going to Amazon and picking you up some press-on or some false nails that are already decorated. I'll be showing you several of them in this video today, but you can choose any one that you like. I have the links below for you, and I hope you enjoy today's video.